Someone you're thankful for Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you how you can do and where to find this viral add yours sticker. So keep on watching. For that you have to go to your Instagram app, then go to search and search for Ali and John YTT. And now from this place, you will have to go to November, add yours at highlights, which is here. And now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker. You can also try my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have a useful tutorial that can help you in the description box below. It's also a tutorial there for not able to click on highlights, not loading highlights, and more tutorials. Now you have to go to your uploads and choose a picture with someone you're thankful for. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and now you can share your story with your friends. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. So make sure to turn on the notification bell. You can also comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts about this, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.